Hey out there, my friends of YouTube. Welcome to 2018. We made it. It might have been by the skin of our teeth, but we made it out of 2017. Some with scars and battle wounds and joys and new adventures, but here we are in a new year. So today I'm going to share with you my grocery haul. It seems that over the past few holiday weeks that I have been to the grocery store so many times, I'm exhausted with it. It seems we went back 50 different times for 50 different things. It was just helter-skelter, holiday time, and we have went through so many groceries. So taking food to events or cooking at home or going somewhere for New Year's, it just seems the groceries, we're just flying through them. Plus we have 4 people that have been home and in the house and eaten almost every meal. Yeah, you heard Sasha behind me, it's true. For the last 2 weeks, we have cooked and made all of our meals at home. So I found myself needing groceries today, and I'm getting ready to share that with you. So what I did is I did the Walmart online grocery pickup. I have tried this once before, and though it can be really helpful, I wasn't a huge one-over fan, but I really did not want to go back into the grocery store today, and I really did need some items, a lot of items I'm completely out of. So I just went ahead and made that order last night, and I'm getting ready to go pick it up. So tomorrow starts a new adventure for me. I am actually back to work as of tomorrow. I have been home 1 whole year, and although I am very grateful for the time I was at home, we have just entered a new part of our life that I think it would probably be in our best interest for me to return to work. It happens, and we are just gonna go with the flow, and I'm really looking forward to the new job that I will have. So a new adventure is waiting for us in 2018. But for now, let's go pick up. For now, let's go let the dogs out, and then let's go pick up the groceries. All right, friends, so it appears that I didn't check my, get the time for you. It appears that I didn't check my email. I was somehow thinking they would notify me within the grocery store app because my order was supposed to be ready between 9 and 10, and it just kept saying processing, processing, but I guess they send an email. So if you have the app, I'm not sure why they can't change it from processing to ready to pick up. But anyway, here we go. Okay, so you guys have done this with me before. I am just following the signs for the grocery pickup. And I will park in my spot and pick up my groceries. All right, so I'm gonna find a spot to pull into. Looks like there are a few other cars, and then I need to check in and let them know that I am here. So we are going to be in number 4. So I know I shouldn't be complaining because it is freezing and there are people bringing groceries out, but I've now been sitting here over 30 minutes, and that is just not a time saver for me. I could have went in and bought my items within this 30 minutes. So I'm really frustrated. Another thing that I don't understand is they have you log in with the app and they have you put the color of your car, and my car is white and there are about 8 other white cars here. So yeah, I'm wishing I would have just went in and got my stuff at this point. Home from Walmart. I am still filming on my phone as my camera did not charge. This was the Walmart grocery pickup. This ended up taking me 1 hour and 20 minutes, and I'm not pleased at all with the service. This was the 2nd or 3rd shot that I gave this service, and I will not do it again. Health willing, unless you just had to. So, and I'll explain as I go through. This was about $100. Although I did just spend $20 at Aldi because I had to go in and pick up the things that Walmart said they did not have at all, which one of those was lettuce, which is strange that they wouldn't substitute some sort of lettuce, because that was one thing I needed. So I'll talk about the items and share with you what I'm really not happy with, but I'm sure this varies per Walmart, but I just was not happy with this experience at all. I sat in my car 45 minutes. They had to substitute like 7 items. They didn't have 4 items on my list. And some of the items I got are either smaller, and buy online, maybe I didn't pay attention, but I won't be doing this again, I will say. I picked up 2, or actually I can't say I picked up. They picked up for me. I got 2 of the double roll of the paper towels, the Select-A-Size. And then if I would have known I was going to run into Aldi anyway, I would have just gotten my toilet paper that I get at Aldi. I have several rolls, but I just needed some to get us through the next couple of weeks. And my whole goal here for shopping was to go ahead and pick up items because I start my new job tomorrow and I don't know what my week is going to look like. Okay, back to the groceries. I did get matches and they shorted me. There is a box short in here, so I will be letting them know. There were supposed to be 10 boxes of the 32 count, and there are not. So although that's a small item, I will be letting them know that I did not get all of the matches. I did pick up a tube of toothpaste. I also got some bathroom cleaner. I was totally out. And then I did pick up a value pack. This was $3.98 for 2 cans, which is really cheap. This is the Scrubbing Bubbles bathroom cleaner. I'm having the kids clean their own bathroom, and Mattia went to the movie last night with a friend, so he owes me for his ticket. So I told him he could help pay me back by cleaning their bathroom. So maybe that'll make it a little bit more fun. I did pick up some of the 30-gallon, the black trash bags. Yes, we use these in a 13-gallon can. I also got some King's Hawaiian rolls. I was going to do a barbecue pulled pork chicken in the crock pot. It's 11:30 now, so maybe I'll still have time to do that for supper. So I went ahead and got these. I actually got the Sara Lee, which was on sale for $1.78. That was a substitute item. I'm going to skip, well, I'll go ahead and show you now. I went in Aldi because one of the things my family requested was the flatbread, and he told me they didn't have any. I don't know. I've been in there so much lately. I don't know. But anyway, I ran in Aldi and picked this one up. I also picked up a package of oven roasted turkey breast. We were pleased with that the last time. This I'm not pleased with. I had actually requested a baked ham, and they gave me the Black Forest ham. I don't know, I just wouldn't have thought of that as a substitution. I don't know, maybe I'm completely wrong. But also the sealing is not right in this package. It doesn't feel like it's sealed. It's really loose. Yeah, I don't know. I may take that back. I picked up some, or they picked up, I guess I should keep saying. No, I didn't pick up some shredded mozzarella cheese, some hash browns. Mattia's been eating a lot of those. I did get another package of the bacon. We have that on the weekend, or it's a quick meal to have a bacon sandwich or some bacon on some salad. They substituted my butter with Prairie Farms instead of Great Value. Sasha! No! She was just out. I'm not letting her go out because they're wanting to bark. One more block of cream cheese. This was an item that either I'm an idiot. I thought this was, it said 98 cents on sale. Can of biscuits, the Texas style, which is what I usually get, but there's only 5 in here. What a joke. The Daisy Sour Cream was a pretty good value. This is that 14-ounce squeeze pack, which if you have kids is great. And it was $1.68. I also got Mattia 3 of the Yoplait whips. And then I do not know how to say this, but I've been wanting to try this yogurt. I got a blueberry, a lemon, and a peach. Yeah, I had just really been wanting to try this because they no longer have my Yoplait with the fruit on the bottom. So I got those. I did pick up, that's Aldi. They didn't have the coarse ground garlic. So again, I ran in Aldi for that. They said they were out of shredded Colby Jack cheese, which is just strange to me that that is not a substitutable item. So I ran in Aldi and picked up that. I also picked up in Aldi some dry roasted peanuts. And while I'm back there, I picked up the Unstoppables. They were cheaper there. And then I did pick up some laundry detergent. So back to Walmart, I got a large box of honeycomb. I did pick up some vanilla wafers. These were supposed to be minis for my dogs, and they did not give me minis. And I also, this was substituted. They were supposed to be great value. So not a big deal. I'll probably just make vanilla pudding with those. And I did pick these up for the dogs. So yes, dog cookies, literally. I did get some wheat thins. This is the big wheat thins. Another box of saltines. We go through saltines like crazy. I got a hazelnut creamer. This is the lettuce that I actually picked up in Aldi because they told me they were out. It wasn't even substituted. Just so strange. And then this is quite hilarious because they told me that bananas were picked by the pound. And so I put on there 3 pounds and they gave me 2 bananas. So I do not understand that at all. The apples I'm okay with, although I did say 2 pounds. And I don't think this 3 apples are 2 pounds. So that's just weird. Disappointed with that. Disappointed with these. They packed these on the bottom of my car, so I'm sure that they are completely smashed. And for $3.98, they had advertised this on their website as the family size. This is my hand. This is a small bag. This is not a family size. I would have never paid $3.98 for these. So I will be also notifying them about those because not happy with that at all. And yes, they do not say family size on this bag, so I've got to be sure what I paid for. I don't think this is what I paid for. I picked up, the dog got another one of the Purina one, the Smart Blend, a container of olive oil, some vegetable spray, the bunny sandwich bread. We were totally out of bread. The lemon poppy seed muffin and a triple berry muffin. I'll mix those up. We make big muffins. These really don't make 6. They make 3 to 4 if you do big muffins. And then Sara Lee blueberry bagels. And then I got a ½ gallon of milk, some Reynolds wrap. Again, I don't think they gave me the right thing. I actually requested the great value and it was 70 square feet. So I'm not sure, this did not say substituted. This is just all over the place. 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. These are on sale at Walmart for 49 cents, which is about the same price as Aldi. And then I got the kids a small Sam's Cola, and then I got Andrea fruit punch for his lunch. So that is what I got at Walmart. And I'm really not sure if this is, I'm going to have to check my list. And I'm going to have to check about the Sun Chips because I really don't think I got the right thing. So that is what I have. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you soon.